Okay, find the volume of each composite space figure to the nearest whole number. Okay, what does that mean? Well, um, what we need to do is we need to split this. So um, let me just change my colors here. We're going to split this thing down and so that it's a couple of rectangles, and we're going to need to calculate some values. So how are we going to split it? Let's split it along this line right here. Okay, then we'll have this whole figure right here, and then we'll have this second figure in green right there. Yeah? So what we've got to do is we have to calculate some measures. So I'm going to erase this for a second, the colors. You can see how we're going to do it though, hopefully, which is that we're going to split it right down this line right there. Okay? So then we've got a rectangular prism. Let's see. If this is 4 from here to here, that's 4. So I'm going to label that as 4. And when I label it as 4, I'm not going to write in the units because I don't have enough room, but I'm going to say that's 4. The height is 2. And we know the length of 8. So let's see what's left over here. Well, this measure is 2. If, what can we say, this whole thing, well, this is 2 right here. That's that. And this is 3 units. That's what this says. 3 units here. Then we've got a 2 and a 3, which is 5. So here we've got a 2 by 5 by 8. Getting that from the other information across. And we'll get the volume of that. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 8 is 80 centimeters cubed. And then this last one here is 4 times 2 is 8. And 8 times 8 is 64. And we can add those together. So 80 plus 64 is 144 centimeters cubed. Hope that was helpful.